Hi guys, this is Bill from Spencer1984.com with the final update to the Invasion of Astro-Monster planetary defense vehicle. So taking a look at it here, we've got the planetary defense badge up front. That's on a spare license plate that I had in the parts box. I apparently didn't bother to put the hood on correctly, so just get that out of the way. Take a look at that straight 6. Took a little bit of doing, but it did all get in there. Ended up using some headlight buckets from my parts box as well. I think they were the spotlights from the GMC truck. Take a look around. Got the recoilless rifle. Have that painted in gunmetal. A few metallic colors there, just to kind of add a little highlighting. And I got some custom decals here on the dashboard for the 3 info plates. And I also replaced the shift knobs with some beads because what came in the kit that never looked quite right to me. Underneath, got the custom exhaust system and drivetrain, and added a little bit of heat shielding there in the middle. For that, I just use some of this tape. It's pretty flexible, so it doesn't even need to be cut exactly to shape. Just kind of get it close enough, and it can even be layered a couple of times, so it works out pretty well for that, though. Also have the windshield so that can be folded down. And that's just about it for the Jeep. I did put together the ammunition for it. I just glued them together and gave them a shot of titanium gold. That works out pretty well. And they can be stored right in the back here under the gun. And that'll do it for this project. I'm going to post a few photos at the end of this video, including one with the cardboard backdrop that they include in the kit. So check that out, and thanks for watching.